And Carisha actually answered everything. Yeah. Everything that I asked, she answered. Yeah. She is an overthinker. Some things got taken out. Right. Really? Yeah. You don't give that. Yes. Oh my God. And especially in that moment, the whole world turned their back against my.
The rumor mill isn't just spinning. It's on fire. The latest buzz about Diddy, Saucy Santana, and Young Miami has taken over the internet. Could Miami have been a smokescreen for Diddy's alleged secret relationship with Santana? New revelations, lyrics, and even accusations are adding layers to this messy situation. And with more voices chiming in, the tea just keeps getting hotter.
I think that we all understand she was going through it behind the scenes. And I think that what she's not understanding and what you're not understanding is the fact that, yes, it was a very public.
Santana, they were saying you would with him. They were saying that.
Do you know how much?
So weird.
Do you know how much that used to piss me off?
Let's break it all down. Diddy and Young Miami's relationship was never your typical love story. From lavish Met Gala appearances to shopping sprees in exotic locations, their connection screamed power and luxury. But behind the glitz and glam was a staggering figure. $500K a month. That's how much Miami was reportedly pocketing just for being with Diddy. When the amount dipped to $200K, Miami allegedly put her foot down and Diddy promptly restored it to the original sum. This financial arrangement had everyone speculating. Was it love, business, or something else entirely? The plot thickened when whispers suggested Miami's role wasn't just a girlfriend, but a cover for something much more scandalous. Enter Saucy Santana, the internet's favorite provocateur. Santana's song, "Meet Me in the Streets," reignited rumors about his relationship with Diddy. What many dismissed as playful wordplay suddenly felt like breadcrumbs to a deeper truth. Lines like "City Girl" in Diddy's world and hints about being part of Diddy's circle had fans digging through the lyrics for hidden meanings. The chatter only grew louder when fans recalled Diddy's history of surrounding himself with young, flamboyant men, sparking conversations about his sexuality, a topic he's never publicly addressed. But here's where things take an even juicier turn. In a recent interview, Santana tackled the rumors head-on, denying any romantic involvement with Diddy and insisting that Miami wouldn't have tolerated it.
You couldn't wait for Cassie to run. You couldn't wait to be in Cassie's shoes. Carisha, please.
How about me and Carisha? We're gonna lay and like the niggas we talk to, we lay them like Lay's potato chips.
She doesn't mess with anything gay, he said. A comment that instantly backfired. Critics slammed Santana for perpetuating stereotypes and ignoring Diddy's decades-long history of rumors. And it didn't stop there. Santana also dismissed the recent allegations against Diddy, claiming the only credible accuser was Cassie. This defense sparked outrage, with fans accusing him of invalidating victims and choosing to protect Diddy instead. As the internet exploded, other voices joined the fray.
I've been through domestic violence in 2 relationships. And I told myself, after the second relationship, I would never put myself in that situation again, especially now being that I'm a mom. I was a mother then, but I have...
He labeled Santana's defense of Diddy as sus, fueling further speculation. Meanwhile, Cassie, whose explosive allegations against Diddy made headlines recently, remained silent, letting her earlier claims speak for themselves. Fans of Cassie rallied to her defense, using the moment to spotlight the courage it takes for victims to come forward. Meanwhile, young Miami found herself in the crossfire. Social media users questioned why she stayed with Diddy, despite the mounting allegations and rumors. Some speculated that she, too, might have been financially incentivized to keep quiet, while others defended her, claiming she was just trying to secure her future. Miami's silence on the matter only added fuel to the fire, with fans demanding she speak out. Even industry insiders couldn't resist weighing in. 50 Cent, known for stirring the pot, took to Instagram with a cryptic post alluding to Diddy's rumored relationships. "Y'all still surprised by this?" he wrote, accompanied by laughing emojis. His comment reignited debates about the industry's tendency to stay silent about powerful figures, even when rumors swirl for decades. Behind the scenes, Diddy's camp has remained tight-lipped. His legal team is busy fending off lawsuits and accusations, while his PR team works overtime to manage the fallout. Yet, the more they try to contain the situation, the more it seems to spiral. Fans are now questioning whether Diddy's empire, built on decades of success, can withstand this level of scrutiny. As the drama unfolds, one thing is clear. Everyone involved, Diddy, Santana, Miami, and even those tangentially connected,